everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Christy and I am here today to give you an update video on my liquidation.com health and beauty box number 2. I forgot to look and see how long it's been. I think it's been 2 weeks now. I think it's been a little over 2 weeks since I bought it. And quick recap. It was 2 boxes of health and beauty from liquidation.com. It was Amazon returns. There was supposed to be 60 items in it. I honestly didn't even count to see if there's a total of 60 items in there. And if it wasn't 60, it was really close. And I paid $298 for it. The MSRP, I believe, was $1,991. And so I went through and wrote down all my numbers and my stats for you guys to tell you. So, there are supposed to be 60 items in the box. Now, I don't list everything. Since it is Amazon returns, there is a small percentage of stuff that's broke, not sellable, used, just basically trash. Not a lot, small percentage, 1 or 2%, a few items in each box. And then there's some items that are either too heavy to put on eBay, and the shipping wouldn't make any sense. So I do have a box of stuff right now that I'm keeping, so that this summer I can do like a garage sale and try to get rid of some of those heavier items, that way. And then there are still some items also with the health and beauty category on eBay. I've noticed that there is a lot of items that are free shipping. I don't do free shipping on my clothing, and I don't like to do free shipping, but there's a lot of items in this category that you have to do free shipping on to be competitive. So if I'm looking on there and it's only selling for $12 with free shipping and it's going to cost me $8 to ship it, it makes no sense for me to list it. So those kind of items are going in my box. So out of the 60 items that were in that box, I listed 40 of them on eBay. Some on Poshmark, some on Mercari. Mercari's been doing actually really good for me with these lots. Their shipping is a lot better, especially if it's under a pound. It's only $4.99 or $4.25 if it's under like 6 ounces or 5 ounces or something like that. And then if it's anywhere between that amount and 15 ounces, then it's $4.99. So I've been doing a lot of, things on there. So let's get down to the numbers. So out of those 40 items that I've listed, in 2 weeks I've sold 15 for a total of $322.55. That is after my fees have been taken out and after shipping and all of that. Not cost of goods, because I'm taking the amount away from the total amount, not each individual amount or each individual piece. So total off of 15 items was $322.55. So profit after what the lot cost me, I'm $24.55. Woohoo! But I've still got 24 items listed left to sell. Now I went through and I have gone through and I've listed, and you probably have read my chicken scratch, but I've gone through, listed each item, put what I think I can sell it for, and then once I sell it, I put down over here what I received after fees and shipping, so I can keep a total and keep a tally. So this amount over here is what I have it listed for. So in order to get what my projected profit will be on this lot, I took the numbers of what I have it listed for and cut them in half. Because this amount that I have listed on here does not have the fees taken out, does not have the shipping taken out, does not have, if somebody sends me an offer and sends me less, offers me less money than what I have it listed for. So I took every single item I have listed and what I have it listed for, cut that amount in 50% in half, and then added everything up, and my projected still to earn off of everything is $383. So my total profit on everything, or my total amount that I get after everything sells, after fees and shipping, should be 3, 4, 5, 6, a little over $700. And the lot cost me $298. So it should be a projected profit of $400 on the whole entire lot. Excuse me. The first lot that I did, box number 1, so far has netted me above what I paid for, about $170. Something like that, $170, $180. I didn't redo the math for this video. I do have another box coming. Should be here tomorrow if UPS can find my house. Last time they didn't. I had to wait till Saturday to get it. So if I get it Friday, I will unbox it probably Saturday and have the video for you guys up either Saturday or Sunday. If I don't get it in time, and I can't get it until Saturday like last time, the video probably won't go up until Monday. So I'll probably get it Saturday sometime in the afternoon, unbox it on Sunday, and then maybe load the video on Monday. That's the plan. So, if you have any questions about any of the boxes, go ahead and leave those in the comments down below. I do appreciate, any feedback anybody wants to give me on these videos. I know they're not awesome yet. I'm just doing this strictly from my cell phone. I don't have a digital camera. I have no way of editing currently. Those will be hopefully down in the future. I do also sell clothing that I get from the Goodwill bins, so I will have periodically, those videos for you guys as well. Go ahead and like this video. Would appreciate it. Leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see what my video on Sunday or Monday will be with this new lot that I've got. The new lot was cheaper than the first two. The MSRP is only in the 1500s, but there's 20 items that are mystery. So there's only 30 items in the whole entire box. But when I looked at the manifest, the first 2 items that were listed should make me all my money back. And then I have all the other ones for profit. That's the game plan. So, if you like this video and you want to see more, let me know by liking, subscribing, all that good jazz. And I will talk to you guys later on this weekend or Monday. Alright, have a good weekend if I don't talk to you before then. See ya.